In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallpaper on Google Nest Hub. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to customize which images appear as the wallpaper on your Google Nest Hub, follow the instructions in this video. For this, you will have to use Google Photos. So you will create an album on Google Photos with either one or multiple pictures that will be cycled through as your wallpaper. So open Google Home. And within Google Home, tap on the specific Nest device. So select it from this list and you will be able to find the display options. So once you go into the display options for Google Nest Home, you will be able to find Edit Photo Frame. If you don't want to use the Home app, then you can skip ahead and I'm going to teach you how to do the same process directly from your Google Nest Hub. But if you have Google Home, it is what I recommend. Inside of the Google Nest or Google Home app, after you choose the Nest Hub display, you will be able to select Edit Photo Frame and then Google Photos, as you can see here. So switch it from Art Gallery to Google Photos. This will allow you to use your Google account and choose any albums that you have created. So choose a specific album, and the pictures on that album will now be used as the wallpaper on your Google Nest Hub. Now, if you want to do this process directly through the Nest Hub itself, go over to the settings of the device, and inside of the settings, you will also be able to find Photo Frame. If you choose this option, once again, you will be able to select Google Photos. So choose the proper Google account that has the albums assigned to it, and then once you are signed into that account, just choose the particular album that you want to use as the photo frame or the wallpaper. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.